Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be trying something new. These are the semi-cured gel nail stickers, which I think are amazing. A genius invention. I've heard really good things about it. I've also heard bad things. So we're gonna be trying it out today in today's video for ourselves to see what we truly think about these beauties. So I am going to be wearing these for about 2 to 3 weeks long. I don't plan on doing my nails around that time, so we're gonna see how long these last. This specific kit I got from Walmart. It is the Dashing Diva Glaze LED Semi-Cure Gel Starter Kit. So I ordered the starter kit because I don't have an LED lamp, and this actually comes with alcohol wipes. It comes with a little stick, the little nail file, the cutest little pink color ever. I'm a sucker for like the nudes, naturals, and pinks. This specific color is in powder pink, so it's GZK03. Super duper excited. We're gonna open it up. As you can see, it comes with a little instruction manual. Super duper adorable. Let's open this up, and I know that these are kind of sensitive to light. I heard that it's not really good. I have like my light on, but I heard it's not good to like put them in light. I know that they're better off in the dark, so I'm not gonna take them out too much. Here's how the file looks like. Of course, you guys can use any brand. I just got the one that was closest to me, which was in the Walmart, but I do see that they also have them on Amazon, Shein, like so many other places. I'm pretty sure they have them at Target too, so you guys can grab any of these from anywhere. So first thing it says to do is prep your nail, then apply, then cut, then cure and file. So we're gonna do that. All right, so I'm going to throw on my glasses. We're going to start the process. Going to pretty much push your cuticle back like so. I'm doing that in every nail, and I feel like you don't really have to do much cutting unless you want to do the full-on experience. It's a simple process. It's not really anything too crazy. Okay, so we're moving on to the next hand, and I am so excited to get these nails on. I have a really good feeling about them too. I feel like it's gonna come out really cute. I put on my ring already because when I have my nails done, I just feel like I can put on any rings and just have like fun with my nails and just feel myself and put on the cutest outfits. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so I just pushed back my cuticles with this little stick that it came with. It was super duper easy. Now we're going in with the prep pad. It is a single-use prep pad, so you can only use it one time, and I'm just going to go ahead and just prep my fingers and just give it a good wipe. I do have my nail growth under it, so I'm hoping that this doesn't really affect anything. So I did my first hand, and now I'm going on and doing my second. I feel like doing your nails is so therapeutic. Like, I love doing my own nails. I used to actually paint them myself, like doing like gel or doing classic nails before. All right, so we are done prepping on each hand. They look like this. So I'm actually seeing that the next step is application. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the nails. Oh my goodness, they look super duper cute. There's a whole bunch of different sizes and options for you to choose from. I'm gonna lay them out so you guys can see how they look. But I love the color I chose. I think it's perfect for just everyday natural nails. All right guys, so now we are getting to the application process. So I'm gonna be starting with the pinky nail. I feel like that's just the easiest to do. So I'm just going to peel the top, which the top is pretty well sealed compared to like the actual nail stickers. So, all right, there we go. So you gotta take off the top and then going to go ahead and grab them. They're definitely a lot thicker than the regular nail stickers. They feel just like them, but it's just a bit thicker. You could tell that they are gel based. So I'm going to make sure that this is like the perfect size. I mean, the size options aren't, I wouldn't say they're like amazing. I think I've definitely seen better size selection, but right now I'm just making sure that I really stick the whole nail on. You don't want to miss any part of the nail because you don't want to get any air bubbles in or just have it like not cured on the side. So you just really want to make sure it's really stuck in. So that's what I'm currently doing. So this might take a little bit of time, but I'm just going to do this to every one of my nails. So I'm gonna jump off camera real quick and do a quick time lapse so you guys don't have to like see me do the whole process. I paid $12 for this, and I think it was definitely worth it. I mean, it came with a UV lamp, it came with the actual stickies, so I'm happy with it. Now let's see if it's good and if I would get it again. So far, the process seems silly. It seems silly, but I think that it'll work. I hope they get hard. That's my biggest itch. I'm just hoping that with the UV, it hardens. So let's go finish this hand now and we will find out. So I actually decided I was going to do one hand. So here is the UV lamp that I'm using. It's by Dashing Diva. Looks pretty self-explanatory. I charged it a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't go bad. So I'm supposed to basically cure these for, I think 60 seconds I saw. Let me make sure I do it right. Cure. It just says cure. I think it's 60 seconds. We'll be fine. We're going to go ahead and cure it. I just also want to make sure that I am getting the sides, and you really just want to make sure that you are curing this to its fullest potential. You don't want to cure it bad. So, all right, here goes nothing. So currently curing everything and hoping that it comes out good. I've never done this before, so we're gonna see how it comes out. I do feel it literally curing though. Like I feel it curing. So the 60 seconds are done. Ooh, it hardened. It did harden. Stop. So it did harden. I wouldn't say you can have it as a tip though, but it did harden. I feel like some of it hardened, not all of it. So very interesting. Look at this. Okay, so now we're going to cut. Ooh, wow. Whoa, it's really, really strong to cut, but like it's not strong enough to keep, if that makes sense. Like it's still really thin. It feels pretty warm, like the cured part. This is annoying. See how it's like lifting? I was scared that would happen, but other than this, it's really not a bad idea. I mean, I still haven't filed it yet. I don't know how it's gonna look. They're hard. That's so cool. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that isn't so damaging because I feel like I could just peel these off in a few weeks. But I also wanted something that would stick and stay. Moment of truth, we are going to file these down. Okay, they file really nice. That is something that I do admit. But so far, I'm really happy with how this looks. I think it's a great idea, and I wouldn't say it needs like a lot of work, but maybe different formulas can really enhance this product and make it something monumental in a way. Shut up. This came out amazing. I am so shook right now about how good my nails look. I'm not even kidding. This is really good. I give this like a straight up 9 out of 10. This is amazing. They feel very secure. Like I wouldn't say they're super stuck on my nail, that it's like really hard to take off, but like shaping them, they look so real. Like it looks like I just went to the salon. Not the best salon, not my salon, which I love my salon very much, but still. This looks like really, really good. I'm very happy. I wanted to tell you guys that I was able to put a little bit of nail. My nails were very short and I was able to square them out and make them a little bit longer. So you can get away with that. I don't think it's recommended, but I don't think my pinky is really this long. It's so stiff and secure that I really can't do it. So it's really flimsy when they're super long, but you can give yourself a tiny bit of nail. I'm gonna go do this side. It was really hard to multitask and film at the same time as like me doing it. So I'm just gonna insert clips and videos about how these look. But guys, like I'm really, really happy. I know it's not perfect, but I'm really, really happy with how this came out. So guys, I officially finished and they came out so good. I just want to say that my nails were not long. So if you are a girly that does not have long nails, can't keep them long, this is definitely for you. I would say my biggest not complaint, but like the biggest cons about these nails is you do have to be really focused and precise when doing them so you can avoid getting air bubbles. But you guys, I'm obsessed. I think that this is a great product. I love it a lot more than the regular nail stickers. I feel like those are so sensitive. I cannot believe I just gave myself a manicure and I only spent $12. I highly recommend grabbing them.